This is a hive scale I've rewired to use a BroodMinder DIY raw circuit board. The scale has one load cell. The board has channels for 4 load cells. I'm using channel J1. Channels J2, 3, and 4 have to be disabled. If you look closely at each channel, you'll see that there are 4 connections or pins. One pin has square corners. That's pin 1. The other 3 pins have rounded corners. Those are pins 2, 3, and 4. To disable a channel, solder a wire across pins 2, 3, and 4. This load cell on this scale has 6 wires. The blue and the gray wires go unused. I took the green wire and soldered it to the first pin with the square corners, pin 1. Then I wired the red, white, and black wires to pins 2, 3, and 4. After the wiring was finished, I used the calibration software to tare the scale. Later, I used the BroodMinder Bees app to tweak the readings to make them more accurate.